This is an update to show you my progress on building a shelf layout in an extremely small area. I have to store this in a hall. I work on it in the living room on a pair of kitchen chairs. I then have to pick it up and carry it in the hall. I post this with the hope that you get some ideas and show you what you can do in a very small area. So let's get on with a review of the layout. All right, this is where we stand now. I have put the track down. It's laid in place so I can lay out my blocks. But let's look at an overview. I have back here a water tower. There's a line shed. There will be a water column here to water engines. There will be a water column here to water engines. I'm considering also putting a water column over here on this edge. The coal bin is in place. I'm going to be adding a pedestal and a crane here. All this track has to be trimmed up. But what I'm going to do is have this all set up that I have my blocks laid out, and I'm going to add my wiring for the blocks, and I'll add it up top and bring it back and then test. Once I get the wiring in place, I'll fix my track down and I'll test the operation. Afterwards, I'll put the wiring through the board and down to the bottom and onto a connector to go to a control board. The rest of the layout, again, is just laid down. I have a lot of trimming to do here on track. This area here, there'll be a road and there'll be a crossing here. This will be a level crossing with gates operating on each side. Now I've added some flashing along the edge of the layout here. The switch machines will be servos. They'll be inserted here right in the front. You'll see that. My next step really is to start adding the wiring, and what I will do is drill holes where I'm going to have signal lights so I see exactly where my signal lights are going to go and what wiring I need there. Along the back, I'll put a low relief station there. I'll put trees along this, so I'll have a 3D effect. The backdrop I'll make up. Back along here, I'll generally have trees with forest type back up there. There'll be the residential area over here with a station here, road, and then we'll go on to the next module. So that's where it stands right now. It's going along very nicely, and I'm having a good time. This is going to be a DC layout. In my website, there is information about how you can very easily set up DC control on your phone. Also, if you want to go to DCC plus or DCC in general in my website, there's another section on how you can set up DCC plus on your phone. So take a look below. There's a lot of information, links about what's there. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll continually show you how I update this and how I add the scenery and make this look not only just as basically a terminal, an engine repair area, but a lot of scenery to make it look very nice. Please subscribe and please leave a comment. It really helps. Have a good day.